Hello and welcome to this week's Top Tips for Moving Home. In today's episode, I'm sharing advice to anyone renting who isn't sure of their rights. Although you are in someone else's property when you're renting, don't worry. Your rights are protected by plenty of rules and regulations, and landlords do have to adhere to them. It's worth checking out your landlord to see if they belong to an industry body. If they do, they are obliged to follow a code of practice. Some landlords will also register with a local authority, although they're not actually required to do so. They may even belong to a voluntary scheme like the National Landlords Association. Professional letting agents will register with either the Association of Residential Letting Agents or the National Approved Lettings Scheme and the Property Ombudsman Scheme or the Property Redress Scheme. Don't they just love a scheme? Anyway, they are not obliged to register, but always try and go with one who is registered with one of these schemes, as these organisations do provide an independent solution for disputes, which is what you would need. In England and Wales, your landlord or agent should present you with a Tenants How to Rent guide at the start of your tenancy. In Scotland, there's a tenant information pack, and this will show that they are aware of current legislation regarding renting. Apart from your fundamental right to feel safe in the property, your landlord or their agent must also issue you with a signed tenancy agreement, go through the inventory with you, provide a copy of the energy performance certificate, as well as certificates showing valid gas and electric safety checks. Ensure your deposits lodged with one of the tenancy deposit schemes and that you get proof of that within 30 days. Attend to repairs promptly, emergency repairs urgently, and issue receipts for all payments that you make. When letting agents are involved, they should act as a buffer in the event of a dispute with your landlord. But what if your landlord or agent is not sorting repairs or is entering the property without giving you proper notice? What if they haven't responded to your written concerns? What if they belong to any of the bodies that I previously mentioned? You can report the problem. Or if you feel the issue is urgent, then tell your council's housing officer. You can find out more on the gov.uk website under private renting. Do see the links below. It'll tell you what to expect as a tenant, what responsibilities your landlord has, and who to speak to if you think they're at fault. If you're renting in a new area, our property reports at MoveIQ contain information on everything from local planning applications and local amenities to school ratings and class sizes. Find out more in the links below. Thanks for watching, and do please subscribe for further updates.